What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make vegan churros. Oh my god, these are like crunchy but fluffy at the same time. It's super weird, but they're so cinnamony. Ugh, they're just perfect. Okay, to kick this off, we're gonna need a large pan. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of water and 1/4 cup of vegan butter. When your butter melts into the water, you will then add 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 egg worth of egg replacer. Using a spatula, mix this all together until your dough starts to stick and form a ball. Place your dough into an icing bag and make sure that the tip is big enough for churros. I had to buy mine on Amazon. In a large Ziploc bag, you're going to add some sugar and cinnamon. This will be used later to toss your churros in. Fill up a large pan with canola oil and squeeze your dough out until you get the perfect churro size, and then use scissors to cut it. I usually do about 3 or 4 at a time so they don't stick together. Make sure you turn them to get them crispy on both sides. When you're done, place them on a plate lined with paper towel to drain the excess oil off. Then place your churros into your cinnamon sugar mixture until they're all coated. My mouth is watering while I'm editing this. I might have to make some more because we devoured all of these. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for new tasty recipes every week. Alright guys, I'll see you next week.